Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default location for screenshots on macOS. By default, when you take a screenshot, the files are saved directly to your desktop. To change this save location, go ahead and press Shift-Command-5 on your keyboard. Next, click on Options. You'll see that the default save location is currently set to Desktop. You can select Documents or choose other location to specify a custom folder. I'm going to change mine to Documents. Once you've done that, just close the menu. Now, proceed to take a screenshot as usual using Shift-Command-3 or Shift-Command-4. Let's open up the Documents folder to check. And there it is. The screenshot is saved right here in this folder, instead of the desktop as it was by default. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.